Guys, welcome back to the Java tutorials. In this tutorial we'll learn about JMenuBars and stuff like that. So to have the JMenuBar you need the JFrame form, and to have the JFrame form I need a package. So I'm just going to create a new package, tutorial 30. I'm going to create a new JFrame form. I'm just going to call it a new JFrame, and there's my JFrame form. Now menu bar is located inside the palette. If you don't have palettes, open Windows and palette there. The palette has all of the controls that can be placed on the JFrame, and it's grouped, like categorically. So inside the swing menus you have the menu bar, and you can just drag it on the form and it will automatically place it on the top row. So no matter how, oh my god, okay, there, sorry. So we just place it automatically on the top row of the form. By default, the menu bar comes with two menus, file and edit. You can add another menu by dragging the menu onto the menu bar. So there's my JMenu 3. You can, if you see file now, file is empty, so I've got no sub items or anything. If you want to have a menu item, you just drag the menu item onto the file, and there you go. If you want to change the name, you click on the menu item, you find the text property, and then you can change it to, save or something like that. You can add a shortcut to it, or you can just double click on the shortcut. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you basically double click the shortcut, and inside you can just do anything. You can have Control Alt, or maybe something Enter. Control Alt Enter would would do something, or you can just have the function keys which are within this. So yeah, there you go. So you've got F6, F5, F7, something like that. So you can just select any file, or you can just say Control plus S. So you can just find VK_S. S, there you go, there. Control plus S would save that particular, would do the action associated with that particular thing. And you've got this tiny checkbox, but it's not used now. If you want to add actions to the menu item, you can just double click that particular menu item and it would open the action perform method of that. You can here add any code you want, so I'm just gonna do a J option pane. And I'll have to add the import, so that's it. If you want to add things to the menu bar, to the menu dynamically, what you can do is that you can basically do that in the code. So this menu is called JMenu1, so I can just go in the source and I can say JMenu1 dot, add, and then I can add a JMenu item. There you go. So I need to first create a JMenu item. Item equals new JMenu item. Exit. So according to the code, as you can see, if you save, then only you can exit. So JMenu item, because new JMenu item, exit, and then I'm going to say JMenu1 dot add, and item there. So I've added the item. I can add the action performed method to the item by creating an anonymous class here. So I can just say item dot add action listener, new action listener, and it would just create an anonymous class for me. And inside this I can just say J option pane dot show message dialog, exiting system dot exit. 0. Oh, okay. Since you are in the anonymous class, you can't use this to refer to the new JFrame. You can just say new JFrame dot this. There. So we have created the menu item. We have added the action listener to the item, and we have added the item to the JMenu. So let's test this code. Shift F6 to run the form. And it's loading. There we go. That's our menu. File edit JMenu3. File has just got saved now, so I'm just going to create save. Saved, yay! And I'm going to go on file again. Now he has the exit option, so I'm going to click on the exit and exiting, and done. So that was basically it. You can dynamically add menus. You can dynamically do anything you want, really. Because in Java, everything is in code. It's not like C#, where you have separate classes for designer and the code and stuff like that. No, this is Java. Everything is just one class. So, well, that was it. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, which would probably be regarding menus again. So, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Till then, bye-bye. See ya, and have a great one.